This is my Joby GorillaPod with a mobile holder. I would like to put this piece on another stand, and it's another tripod from another brand. So the only thing I need is this small part, but Joby doesn't sell this part. So I went to Thingiverse for a 3D model, and look and behold, someone designed it. It's this part together with this part that should make it possible. So you can fix this on another tripod and shove this piece in. They even designed a foot. I won't be needing this, but you can see there are all kinds of supports that are needed to be printed. This part needs to be printed vertically and this one horizontally. So I will start removing the supports to get a better look. It's getting loose. Yep, there it is. Oops. Is that all? Let me see. It fits, yeah. So that's part one. Oh yeah. Then this part. That's not needed. All right. Let's see. This goes like that. You need to put a, how do you call it? Not a bolt, but the counterpart. Oh yeah, the nut. You need to put the nut in here. And like this. Let's see if I can dry fit it. So it goes like that. And then, yeah, it's stuck. And if you push this down, you can get it out. So this is great. I'll put the link to the Thingiverse down below. So to finish the mount, I needed a nut, but as you can see, I only found these. It's 13 millimeters, and it didn't fit, so I grinded it until it did fit. The model is not metric, so and it is not adjustable, so I had to adjust the bolt. I'll put it in, made it flush, and here it is flush as well. Now you can stick a bolt in it like this, then secure it, and you've got your mount. And this way you can pull all you want, it won't get out. And if you push this down, it comes off. Just like a regular Joby ball head mount.